Good morning, this is Zach from Boss Motors. This video is for Charles. You expressed interest in the Tesla. Let's do a small walk around video for you so you can kind of see it. This is the P85. It's kind of like the sportier Model S. Carbon fiber lip. Leather. And we'll just go over the price real quick. So $53,388 plus taxes and licensing. We don't charge any other fees with vehicles here, so it's just plus tax and licensing. If you need any more information on this vehicle, just respond back to this email or just give Boss Motors a call, and we'll go over things and we'll schedule a time to come see it. Okay, thank you.